Hey, it's me, Khalil. Today I'll be showing you the timelapse of my own model as well as the finished product and its description, and I hope you have fun. The first part is the nucleolus. It is darkly stained and are in the nucleus. It aids in protein formation and the RNA synthesis. The second is the nucleus. It is a membrane-bound organelle, spherical in shape. Most of the activities of the cell is directed by the nucleus. It also contains the hereditary material of the cell and also helps in protein synthesis. It is surrounded by a porous membrane, the nuclear membrane, which enables movement of materials in and out of the cell. It is a membrane-bound organelle, spherical in shape. All the cells in the animal has one complete set of genes in its nucleus. The genetic material DNA help in protein formation. The ribosomes. Ribosomes are the smallest cell organelles and are most abundant. They are found in all cells as they synthesize proteins that are required for the survival of the cell. Ribosomes are found in the endoplasmic reticulum. Together, they help in manufacturing proteins for the cell following instructions of the nucleus. Next is the vesicles. Vesicles are small cellular containers that perform a variety of functions. They can be used to move molecules, secrete substances, digest materials, or regulate the pressure in the cell. The next one is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Studded with millions of membrane-bound ribosomes, is involved with the production, folding, quality control, and dispatch of some proteins. Next is the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi complex looks like the ER and are located near the nucleus. Its function is to modify proteins made by the cell and pack and export proteins to the cell parts. They are flattened stacks of membrane-bound sacs. They function as the packaging unit. The proteins formed by the endoplasmic reticulum are packed into small membrane sacs called vesicles. The cytoskeleton. It is a network of fibers made up of the microtubule and microfilament. They maintain the shape and give support to the cell. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum functions in many metabolic processes. It synthesizes lipids, phospholipids as in plasma membranes, and steroids. Cells that secrete these products, such as the cells of the testes, ovaries, and skin oil glands, have an excess of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The mitochondria. Mitochondria is a double membrane-bound organelle and has numerous folds. It is the site of the aerobic cellular respiration and breaks down sugar molecule to release energy. Most of the ATP is made here. Mitochondria is one of the largest organs of the cell and is known as the powerhouse of the cell. It is a spherical or rod-shaped organelle and is enveloped by a double membrane. Mitochondria aids in conversion of glucose to high-energy molecules or the ATP for the cell. The vacuole. It stores food, water, metabolic, and toxic waste. They are organelles for storage, small membrane-bound vacuoles filled with fluids and water, and are present in animals. Vacuoles perform functions of secretion, excretion, and storage. The cytosol. The cytosol has an important role in providing structural support for other organelles and in allowing transport of molecules across the cell. It is involved in signal transduction between the cell membrane and the nucleus and organelles. It transports metabolites from the production site to other parts of the cell. It is important for cytokinesis when the cell divides in mitosis. The cytosol plays a role in eukaryote metabolism. The lysosome. These are special vesicles in animal cells. They contain enzymes. It digests all the cell parts and breaks down larger food molecules. Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles. They contain digestive enzymes. They break down the waste products and detoxify the cell. The centrioles are paired barrel-shaped organelles located in the cytoplasm of the cells, near the nuclear envelope. Centrioles play a role in organizing microtubules that serve as the cell's skeletal system. They help determine the locations of the nucleus and other organelles within the cell. And lastly is the cell membrane. The cell membrane. All cells are covered by cell membrane. It supports and protects the cell. It also controls the movement of materials in and out of the cell. It forms a barrier between cell and its movement. Also helps in maintaining homeostasis. It is the outer lining of the cell which encloses all other cell organelles. The cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, is semi-permeable. It allows only specific molecules to pass through and blocking others.